Hello everyone, my name is Colby Kidd. I'm a student of the Walker College of Business here at App State, and my major is a computer information systems major with a graduation date of December of 2022. I want to briefly talk about my e-portfolio that I've made for my BUS-4000 class and exactly what it consists of. So, as my introduction pages, this e-portfolio consists of the 5 key elements and an example piece of work for each. I believe that these overall were very, very big benefactors when it comes to growing my education here at App State through my major, and I'm very looking forward to what they lead to in the future. To briefly go over these, most of these are overall Google documents or documents of some sort. Majority of them are in a paper-like format where they're not necessarily a presentation or a bunch of necessarily data is in here, like for example, like Microsoft Excel, for example. These are all just overall reports or papers as we can see for the most part. Um, and regarding this, I believe when it comes to, in my opinion, the most significant out of these would most definitely be my fourth goal, which is my CIS 4850, which is IS project. And in this class, we created a information systems project, and me and my group made the volleyball matchmaking system. And this project was based around a small volleyball group that we wanted to help one of our teammates out with, who was around the Fayetteville area. And she had a bunch of volleyball friends, but it was hard to get them all scheduled together, and there was a skill gap regarding the players. So what we did was we made a matchmaking system that not only took their schedules to mind, but also took their skill level, so we could overall have a even volleyball game taking place, and these people could find members to play with instead of just having to show up and maybe not being enough players or being too many and they wouldn't be able to play. We used a bunch of different applications for this. We used, for example, Microsoft Excel and MySQL. Those were probably the top two that we used, and some few others like Google Drive, for example. But these overall improved my technical skills in my computer information systems degree, and they have led me to getting my first, I guess, big job you could consider that I've grown a lot of experience and grown my education with. And that's also partaked in some of my other examples, like, for example, my CIS 3530 deliverable. Learning about the information from my work has definitely implemented over to this, and I very much appreciate that. And overall, I believe not only has my instructors helped me through this path, but also my colleagues. A lot of these goals, for the most part, and assignments, I guess I should say, were group-based, and so I couldn't have done this without my teammates. I believe we all worked as a team, and I very much enjoyed working with every single one of them. No issues were presented in any of my classes regarding that. And overall, I hope my future goals are that, of course, not only to be successful, but to overall be happy in life. And looks like I've already gotten a good idea of where I want to pursue and go forward with. And this e-portfolio has kind of given me a summary of what I've learned so far and what I want to take with me to the future. And I believe that's all. Thank you so much.